Photoshop. Importance of Photoshop. The name Photoshop itself gives us an idea about the features of the application. This software created by Adobe has proved to be extremely useful in the field of printing, both for designers and editors. This software is in great demand in the printing and the electronic industry. This software lets us edit photos with ease. Features of Photoshop. Artists get an avenue to bring their ideas to reality by using Photoshop. They aspire to make their art as perfect as possible. The design for different varieties of graphics like greeting cards, visiting cards, large flex boards can be easily made. Customers are happy when they see the graphic designs created using Photoshop. We capture the important moments of our life using a camera. We may have some old photographs of our family. These photos are usually black and white. These photographs tend to fade over time. Or we may want to convert these to color photos, for which tools are available in Photoshop. Sometimes we click a picture and it is not perfect. For example, if the lighting isn't perfect or if there is a red eye effect, then the photo looks very bad. All these can be rectified in Photoshop. Not only that, Photoshop can also help to change the background or the color combination in the original photo. We can paint a canvas using crayons, watercolor, sketch pens, etc. Photoshop gives you the option of various brushes which give the effect of these mediums. Creating designs for various products or their layouts and according to that creating color combination is very easy using Photoshop. Just like the pictures or the photos in the graphics, it is equally essential that words are also placed to create an impact. Various options are available to create different arrangement of words. Let us now learn how to use these features of Photoshop. How to start Photoshop? To start Photoshop, select the path Start, Program, Adobe Photoshop. In the Photoshop application, you will observe that there are multiple commands available on the menu bar displayed. These are used while working on an image. A toolbar is present on the left side of the window. On the right are various palette panes. Groups of palettes necessary to create or modify the images are present here. Image file, menu bar, option bar, palette, toolbar, image. Interface layout. Page size and orientation. In Photoshop, the page size is decided based on the need. For example, if we want to design a book cover or a flex board, then each of their sizes will be different. So to start, select the command New from the File menu. In the dialog box displayed, click on the List button Preset. You will see the various page options available. Select the option Custom. When you select the option Custom, you can select the page height and its width as per your need. The units are displayed next to this text box. Select the unit that you would like to work with, for example, centimeter, pixel, millimeter, etc., and set it here. In our case, we will select inches. Resolution. Photoshop is a raster graphic. The image in raster graphic is displayed in pixels. Pixels are like dots on the screen. So, the clarity of the image increases as the resolution of the image increases. If you want to print an image, then set its resolution between 150 and 300. And if it is for the web, then set the resolution at 72. Mode. We need to select the color mode based on our need. If you are creating graphics for a website, then select RGB, which means red, green, and blue. Set this color mode. For printing purposes, select CMYK, which stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. It is essential to keep this color mode. Background contents. Background contents lets you decide whether you would like your canvas to be transparent or white. Once you have entered the information in page setting, click on the OK button. You will see your file on the canvas work area. To change the size or dimensions of the canvas, select the command Canvas Size from the Image menu.